Namaskar. You are watching Daily Prime Info. We begin with breaking news from where a devastating airstrike has intensified the ongoing. According to Afghan Taliban authorities, the most severe incident so far took place on the night of 16th March, around 9 p.m. local time. Officials alleged that Pakistan carried out an airstrike that directly hit the Omid Addiction Treatment Hospital, a major state-run drug rehabilitation center with nearly 2,000 beds. The facility, which was treating people recovering from drug addiction, is now at the center of a major humanitarian crisis. Taliban spokespersons, including, claim that at least 400 people have been killed, most of them patients and civilians, with around 250 others injured. Rescue operations are still ongoing, and the death toll could rise further as teams continue to search through the rubble. Eyewitnesses described horrifying scenes, saying the explosion and fire turned the hospital into what they called a doomsday scenario, with flames engulfing patients who were unable to escape. Afghan officials have strongly condemned the attack, calling it a deliberate strike on a civilian medical facility and labeling it a crime against humanity. They insist there were no military installations in the vicinity and have warned of possible retaliation. However, Pakistan has categorically denied these allegations. Officials say their airstrikes on 16th March were carefully targeted at terrorist infrastructure linked to groups like in Kabul and Nangarhar. Islamabad has dismissed Afghan claims as false and misleading propaganda. This latest strike marks a dangerous escalation in the conflict, which began in late February 2026. What started as targeted operations against militant hideouts has now spiraled into open confrontation, with repeated airstrikes, drone attacks, and border clashes reported across multiple regions including Kabul, Kandahar, and Paktia. Earlier incidents this month had already raised concerns, with reports of civilian casualties in residential areas. But this hospital strike could prove to be a turning point in the conflict. The international community has reacted sharply. India has called the attack barbaric and cowardly, while global concerns are mounting over civilian safety, especially during the holy month of Ramadan. It is important to note that the casualty figures have not yet been independently verified and are largely based on Taliban sources. Investigations are expected, and numbers may change as more information becomes available. As tensions rise, fears of a wider regional conflict are growing, with the situation remaining highly volatile.